The global economy is constantly evolving. Today, the technology sector reigns supreme with companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, and Amazon leading the market. These giants are pioneers, shaping the future with their innovative use of artificial intelligence. Market capitalization reflects investor confidence in a company's overall worth. Apple exemplifies market dominance through product design and AI integration. Microsoft powers businesses worldwide with its Azure platform. Nvidia's GPUs drive countless AI applications. Alphabet dominates internet search and digital advertising. Amazon leverages AI across its vast empire. These companies demonstrate AI's transformative power across industries. Apple's success story is deeply intertwined with its ability to meet consumer needs. AI is seamlessly integrated into its products to enhance user experience. From Siri to facial recognition, AI is integral to Apple's ecosystem. Siri has evolved into a sophisticated voice assistant. Facial recognition provides a secure way to protect personal information. AI enhances image quality and creates stunning portrait mode effects. While Apple focuses on consumer-facing AI applications, Microsoft and Nvidia are instrumental in building the infrastructure that empowers businesses to harness the power of AI. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform offers a suite of AI services, enabling developers to build, deploy, and scale AI solutions. Azure Cognitive Services provide pre-trained AI models for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and sentiment analysis. These services democratize AI, allowing businesses without deep AI expertise to integrate AI capabilities into their operations. NVIDIA's GPUs are the workhorses behind AI training and inference. Their parallel processing capabilities accelerate the computationally intensive tasks required for training complex AI models. NVIDIA's CUDA platform provides a software environment for developers to harness the full potential of GPUs for AI workloads. The synergy between Microsoft's cloud infrastructure and NVIDIA's hardware creates a powerful ecosystem driving the adoption of AI across industries. Alphabet and Amazon, data as the fuel. Alphabet and Amazon leverage vast data for AI-driven personalization and optimization. Google's AI analyzes user behavior for relevant search results. YouTube and Google Play recommend content based on user preferences. Amazon gathers data on purchasing habits for product recommendations. AI optimizes Amazon's logistics and delivery routes. Both companies lead in AI research, pushing boundaries in AI capabilities. Section 5. The rise of AI-focused startups. The transformative potential of AI has sparked a surge in startup activity, attracting significant investments from venture capital firms. ERA Ventures, Salesforce Ventures, and Insight Partners are among the leading investors in the AI space, recognizing the disruptive power of AI across various sectors. ERA Ventures focuses on early-stage investments in companies developing AI solutions for healthcare, financial services, and cybersecurity. Salesforce Ventures, the investment arm of Salesforce, invests in startups building AI-powered applications on the Salesforce platform, focusing on areas like customer relationship management and marketing automation. Insight Partners, known for its growth stage investments, backs AI companies with proven business models and the potential to scale rapidly. These venture capital firms, with their deep pockets and industry expertise, are playing a crucial role in nurturing the next generation of AI unicorns. Section 6. A future shaped by AI. The pervasive influence of AI is undeniable. From our smartphones to the global economy, AI is reshaping industries, automating tasks, and creating new possibilities. The companies at the forefront of AI innovation are not just shaping the technological landscape, but are also influencing the future of work, healthcare, transportation, and countless other aspects of our lives. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. The ethical implications of AI, particularly in areas like privacy and bias, will require careful consideration and responsible development. The companies and entrepreneurs who prioritize ethical AI practices will be the ones who shape a future where AI benefits all of humanity.